Once upon a time, there was no time, no matter, no energy, not even space. All that existed was a single tiny atom. One fine day, several billions of years ago, this atom exploded, and from that single burst came the entire universe, all planets, all galaxies, all stars. What an interesting story. But we call it science because this story is based on proofs. Science is a subject that is made up of stories based on proofs and facts. You take any subject. History is a subject based on stories made up of evidence. Mathematics is a subject made up of stories based on numbers. And our languages are full of stories, and those stories are based on imagination. So stories are everywhere. In this authoring workshop, you will know how these stories are made. And when you go back to your studies, you will be quick to grasp the stories behind your subjects. And you will be able to retell those stories effectively. So the number one not so obvious benefits of an authoring workshop like this is once Steve Jobs told students, right now wherever you are, look at all the products around you and remember that these products were made by people who are no smarter than you. Let me extend the logic and invite you to look at all the books that are there in your bag, at your libraries, and remember that they were written by people who are no smarter than you. Of course, you will realize this when you yourself become an author. So the direct benefit of any writing program is vocabulary building, but the not so obvious benefit of a writing program is confidence building. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to enroll in this program, please visit my webpage at www.sankarg.com/ya. You can also message me at my WhatsApp number 97902 76206. All the best. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to enroll in this program, please visit my webpage at www.sankarg.com/ya. You can also message me at my WhatsApp number 97902 76206. All the best.